Hi, if you're new here, my name is Julia and I'm from the Bay Area, California. I'm currently navigating my early 20s, and on today's episode of my life, I'm visiting my long-distance boyfriend on the East Coast for a few weeks. Come join us as we spend some quality time together, getting productive, and of course, eat and eat and eat. Enjoy! Hello! What's up? Guess where I am? In Florida! Well, I'm in John's apartment. Or John's room in his apartment. Anyway, this is gonna be our home for the next couple weeks. So, today is Friday. It's also John's birthday. So, everyone say happy birthday to John in the comments. He would absolutely love that. As you can tell, I'm doing my makeup. And I think today we're gonna go to a cafe once again. John has work to do because he's a student. So he has to study. Couldn't be me. But anyway, I have work to do as well. So, we're just gonna be like a working vibe today. And then maybe we'll go thrifting and then go out for dinner. Because it's John's birthday. That's the vibe. That's the plan. And I'm happy to be here. Yay. Okay, I'll get ready really quick and I'll see you guys at the cafe. This is my outfit. Good. Too sweet. It's good. Hello people! We just finished doing work at the cafe. Everyone say happy birthday to John. Yay! Anyway, we're gonna get lunch now because it's low-key 2 o'clock. We're gonna go to Sweetgreen because they have new fries that they released recently. And they look very good, and they have pickle ketchup, which I'm really excited for. So, we'll see you at Sweetgreen. Toodles. Home sweet home. This looks fire. Like, little birthday lunch. Yay! I'm gonna have to steal some of yours. Oh my god, wait, can I take a photo first? Unfortunately, they didn't have the fries because apparently they're only in California, so I'm gonna have to try it when I get back to California. How's your meal?
Good.
10 out of 10?
I like the caramel garlic steak better.
Yeah.
But I will say there's a lot more protein in this one.
The Brussels sprouts is
39 grams.
I'm coming back for that for sure. Caramel coconut ice cream with chocolate and brown sugar crumble? Ugh.
I like it.
Is it backwards?
Yep.
Especially with this color top. What? No?
The top fits very nice.
Yeah.
Shoulder's good. Ooh.
On the top. It's cute. Is it good?
Show the back, show the back.
That's cute, right?
Yeah, it looks very good. Dude, you look great in this. What are you talking about?
Oh my god, this looks spectacular. What do you mean? Oh, the fries are so good. Just like truffle on it. Cheers. Oh wow. So good.
You know how I feel. Can you shut that off?
Hi guys! Welcome to post-dinner party
Post dinner.
with Julia and John. How would you rate the meal?
Meal's really good. You know, we got a lot of seafood thing. Appetizer was seafood. Main dish was
Oh
seafood.
my god, the truffle scallop thingy was so good.
We only got one non-seafood thing.
What?
The mentaiko fries.
No, mentaiko is seafood.
Okay.
Yeah.
We got no non-seafood things. It's really good. I would rate it 8.5 out of 10.
I would say the same. The music was good too. A little loud,
A little loud.
but really good songs.
Yep.
The good vibes. It was nice weather.
I like the outdoor vibes. Vibes are like 9 out of 10, I would say.
Okay, anyway, now it's time for dessert. You want to get ice cream? Jenny's. Let's go. There was so little.
Was there
It's like very coconut. Guys.
Wait, it was delicious off sample.
Oh.
That means it's about to be fire.
We got white chocolate, peppermint, and coffee. We always get mint and coffee every time. Oh, coffee's so good. Good morning, everyone. Today we are changing up the vibe. Not Alani new today. I can't open this. Anyway, it seems that the flea problem has gotten worse and John's pissed off. It says tropical vibe, starfruit pineapple. But anyway, I'm gonna go work out and then get some work done today. Having a very productive morning and John's already studying bright and early. Look how studious.
I'm actually searching up how to kill this one.
Oh. Anyway. He's in a bad mood because of the fleas, but it's okay. Okay, I'm gonna go work out. See you. Hello, as you can tell, I just finished my shower. I need to do my skincare, obviously. And then I think we're gonna go grocery shopping. So I'm gonna make some pasta for us today. And then Dawn also wants to get like the flea bomb, which is like a fogger thing. It looks like a little canister, and then I think when you like activate it, it just fogs up the whole room and just decimates all of the fleas. So hopefully that works because these flea bites are not it, guys. Like I'm itchy. It's horrible. Yeah. But anyway, yeah, that's it. I also need to do some work. I got some deadlines due in like 2 days, but it's all good. Okay, I'm gonna quickly get ready, and then we can get on our way. The flyer has landed.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Whoa, yeah. Ooh, baby.
And then the protein.
And then the protein's gonna be garlic pepper steak.
Any other sauces for you?
The sauce will be creamy garlic and herb.
Huh?
Okay, anything else?
Yeah, and then can we do a regular with
And then the kids with us come with you their
We just got drive-through. I got a little lunchy, and we're gonna go home and eat it. I low-key might eat a little bit on the car because I'm really hungry. Bonjour! After a long day of work, I think it's time for an afternoon delight. Whoa, what's happening to me? Oh no. Oh. Whoa. Oh my goodness. What a cutesy, gorgeous outfit. It's honestly just so perfect to go to a cafe. And I think that is an amazing idea. So let's go to a cafe together. But first, we need to set the mood. And in order to do that, we need to make sure that our scent game is on point. And recently, I've been loving Replica's Afternoon Delight. I can literally imagine myself walking through the streets of Paris, and it literally feels like I'm smelling warm pastries. It features a very creamy vanilla and warm Madeleine Accord, and oh, it smells delicious. It's so sweet and yummy, perfect for that cozy vibe. And I think it makes such a great, amazing gift for friends and family, or even for yourself. So make sure to grab your own Replica Afternoon Delight, and we can all smell warm and cozy during this holiday season. And I mean, look at the packaging. It's gorgeous. So aesthetic. Like, I love, look at that. I'm gonna have to get going because now I'm craving a Madeleine. And so I will see you at the cafe. Madeleine's? Madeleine. Okay, people, I made dinner. Pasta. I used the Trader Joe's Rosatella pasta sauce, and then they have these like weird noodles, squiggly. I don't know, I thought they were really cute, so that's why I got them. Yay! Anyway, John's gonna try, and he's gonna rate it 1 through 10, and it better be a 10, or else I'm never gonna make you anything ever again. It's good. I like it. What do you think?
That was really good.
10 out of 10? The sauce is really good. It's honestly impressive because I didn't have garlic or onion. Ooh. Good morning, people. Yogurt, breakfast bowl, as usual. Anyway, I'm gonna quickly eat this, and then we're gonna go do some work at the little workroom that they have in the apartment complex, because someone has to study.
Yeah.
But yeah, the vibe is working day today, like a major working day. But yeah, that's the vibe. See you. Bye. What do I want? Donut shop. Yummy. Okay. John made me some lunch.
Your chili oil.
What chili oil?
The one you brought.
Oh, that could be good too. Anyway, guys, my lunch. Tuna sandwich, cucumbers. This is a lot of avocado. I don't know if I can finish it.
You can just take some off.
Wow, it's so pretty. Wait, I want to take a photo. Why did I do that? Good. Second thrift store of the day. I feel like the flowers are just too flowery. I love this like asymmetrical vibe. So cute. With like boots. Just a cute little yellow skirt. I don't know. I like how there's pockets though. This looks really good, by the way. Do I even need sauce? Like, what even is this sauce? Ooh, that smells really good. I'm gonna put the sauce. Wait, this looks fabulous. Guys, this place is amazing because the restaurant is here, but then there's a dessert place literally right next door. So we're gonna go there, of course, because we gotta get a little sweet treat.